Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In our last video, we had an amazing time exploring St. Martin. We started by debarking the Norwegian Pearl and took a scenic water taxi to Philipsburg and enjoyed strolling along the beach and exploring the charming shops. We visited the Yoda guy and his famous Star Wars museum. Then we headed over to Maho Beach to witness the planes landing right over the sand. We finished our adventure with some shopping at the port before heading back to the ship. If you missed it, be sure to check it out. In today's video, we'll be reboarding the Norwegian Pearl for a late lunch and then heading off with our new friends Kenny and Jason to Moderno for a delightful Brazilian specialty dining experience. So grab a snack, get comfortable, and let's continue on our journey.
Nice elevator. We have not had much of an issue on this elevator bank at all this cruise. So it's been good.
Yeah, it's actually been pretty good. We're going upstairs for a cocktail. Come along with us in the elevator. Cruising is so much fun. That's an elevator yell. Going down.
Those elevators are quick on the draw.
They are.
They don't mess around.
That's
They're
good.
Like, get out, we're going.
Oh, that's funny. Made it. We're at the buffet. We're looking at some food. Ooh. I want a burger. Okay. Here we are on the Lido. I think they call it the Lido.
We do if they don't.
We are having some burgers and fries, and this is where we got them. Topsiders. Basic burgers, full side
Pre-made options.
Pre-made options. Do they?
You will like the mine had a bacon with a piece of pineapple under it, and yours was blue cheese and something underneath.
I think it's just bacon.
Okay, but what was under the bacon? There was something under it. Like
Hopefully it's not sauerkraut.
it was like cheese strips or something.
Chicken, pork.
Pork. Okay.
I don't know.
Like stuff underneath them. You could have
Pork.
just got a plain one with cheese, but
Right. There's pork under there, but I don't care.
no.
Even when you're in port and the other ship is starting to sail away. I don't know if you can hear it. But you know what song that is by what they're doing. I believe they're sailing away.
regroup, we can plan our outfits, and then
Okay.
either get ready for dinner or figure something out until dinner, and then come back and ready either way.
Good deal. Door.
I brought our stuff.
Good evening.
Good evening.
We're getting ready to head to dinner. We're going to Moderno tonight.
We are.
We had a reservation for 6, but we met some friends on the cruise and decided they had dinner for 7, so we merged our reservation with them and moved ours back a little, which was great. Gave us a little bit of time between
Be hungry again?
eat something, and now we'll be ready for the meat sweats.
The meat sweats, yeah, that's gonna come. But it should be a good meal. We love Moderno.
Yeah.
It's been good in the past cruises, and we're excited to go. And we're definitely gonna film our food. I'm gonna talk to them and see if they're camera sensitive first. But if they are, we'll show you the food. If not, we'll
show
just
you what
film
we
us.
can.
Oh God, St. Martin.
Oh, St. Martin was fantastic.
Yeah.
So we just did, we did a little port shopping and then went to Maho Beach and, did the airplane thing. Had a couple ciders there.
Mm-hmm.
They had a lot of food there that looked really delicious too. We caught a local transport back, a gentleman named Tito. He was a fantastic host. It was a very interesting cab ride.
It was really nice. He gave us the grand tour. It was nice. Then he dropped us right off at the port gate, so we didn't have to ferry back.
Yeah.
Exciting, but we've got a little bit of time before dinner. I think I'd like to have a cocktail.
Yeah, we're going to go down to the either the whiskey bar or the champagne bar, and I think they've got a show band quartet or something. We're going to have a couple drinks and then go meet our friends for dinner.
Yep, absolutely. And we'll bring you along with us on day 5. Is it day 5?
Day 5.
Still day 5.
We
We're
got
on hump day.
4 days left.
Yeah, of our 9-night cruise. And come along with us and escape to dinner.
Escape.
We ended up heading up to Spinnaker's bar for a drink before our dinner. And then we headed right on down and met our friends Kenny and Jason. Right?
I know. I'm distance as well, so it's like up close. It does me no good.
Exactly.
I look at my phone like, oh, that does me no good.
Exactly.
Here's our menu.
Salad bar,
Moderno.
beginner feast.
Of course.
Hello, good evening
Hello.
everyone. Welcome to Moderno.
Thank you. Did you?
Really?
Oh, they saw you this morning.
Oh yeah, in the breakfast.
Yeah.
Yes, so this is your first time in Moderno?
I've been before.
Traditional Brazilian steakhouse. Here we have a salad bar. There are 2 kinds of soup, lobster soup and Brazilian soup, pork, and 43 kinds of salad. For the salad, it's a self-service. Now, the very important is this one, the mustard. If you look, this one's for the red, means that you're not ready for the meat. Still in salad or still on break. But if you flip this one to green, you're ready for the meat. You'll go all the way to the meat. Okay. Sweet.
When you need mercy, red.
Do we want anything from the bar?
This is the bottled wine we enjoyed with our dinner companions, Kenny and Jason. Kenny has excellent taste and picked out this wonderful wine for us. As you can see, he's peeking in the photo, clearly excited to share his choice with us. Moderno offers a unique dining experience with its tableside service of perfectly grilled meats. The ambiance is warm and inviting, perfect for a delightful evening with friends. And over here is our other dinner companion, Jason, getting some fresh selections at the salad bar. Moderno's salad bar is amazing with a variety of fresh vegetables, cheeses, and unique Brazilian specialities. It knows my face.
A bit of a blue cheese salad with some Brazilian cheese bread and a roll and a lobster bisque. And Robin's got about the same.
We got some grilled provolone. Yeah, grilled provolone.
Our first round of meats, we have Parmesan crusted chicken, bacon wrapped pork, filet mignon, and then sausage.
I don't need to do one. We have the same.
The chicken and sausage and filet have been joined by pork loin and then some pork belly, as well as some chimichurri and some sauce. I'm gonna get
Makes you like
a better cooked
hate
filet
food.
than this. It's incredible.
For dessert, we had chocolate coconut tres leches cake and sweet mango rice pudding. We couldn't help but laugh at the small and uninspiring dessert menu. Kenny had joked that he was surprised that one of the choices wasn't tapioca.
Hold on.
Oh, did you bring the
Since I
spinner?
brought it. Okay, that's just a bump.
All the package are none. That makes it so much easier. We had fun playing with the table plate spinner, capturing some great rotating shots for our video. Despite the limited dessert options, it was a sweet ending to a fantastic meal. We had a wonderful time, guys.
So this is the 70s dance party. Bus. We got out there a little bit just to do it, but we're heading back.